Oh my gosh. It's fragrant. It smells like, it's like green. It's like really strongly fragrant. Not like super pleasant. It's not sweet. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Two more days on this one, I bet. It's just like so freshly opened. The sepals feel almost like, I don't know, they remind me of like a bromeliad. So big. I love this so much. Wow. It's huge. Hugees. Look at all that. Wow. So cool. One night only. Cereus peruvianus. Blooming in April in Houston, Texas. Luckily, it was still open early this morning, so my husband did get to see it. I was debating waking him up, but I don't think he would have been very happy with me. But he did get to see it this morning and sent me this pic. And here it is now. All done. Look, this one. This is gonna happen tonight. And there we go again.